All right, guys, so what I want you to do, look at this equation, 5.45 times the distance in feet divided by the slow motion time. So this is what you need to know. iPhones are typically, the slow motion time is 240 frames per 1 second. So if you have an older phone or non-iPhone and it has slow-mo, look up the time. Just Google it, and I can help you with that if you're having issues. Most playback time is 30 frames per second. So you don't have to do the grid boxes like was in the Mark Rober video. But this is just a really cool tool to calculate how fast something going is, the average speed of something with your slow motion camera in under a minute, right? You can do this super quick. But what I want you to do, calculate. I think I misspelled calculate. It's hilarious. I just checked it. I thought calculate the average speed of something using this formula, right? That should be easy to do. I want you to film it. Give me the footage. This is part of the requirement. Okay. Now this is the beefy part of it here. Using your dimensional analysis skills, explain via screencastify why the number is 5.45 in this equation. So my hint is use your dimensional analysis skills and this information here to derive this equation. And here's the important part. If your phone is different than 240 frames per second or 30 frames per second, you need to email me because I know how to derive this equation, so I can tell you what this number is actually going to be if you tell me these numbers if they are different. So look those up and email me if they're different, and then you're going to upload that information to me. Good luck. Have fun with it.